24/7, all local, all the time. Turn to Channel 3 for Weather Scan by the Weather Channel.
A flood advisory is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 73 degrees with rainy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, thunderstorms early, low 65, winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 90%. And on Thursday, mainly sunny, high 76, winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Thursday night, a mostly clear sky, low 59, winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Friday, generally sunny despite a few afternoon clouds. High 80, winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.